Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, October 13th. So looking at the markets today, I'm going to focus on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is making a bit of a breakout move to the upside. I think our next targets are in the 736, 743 area, but that's not really where I want to focus on. Looking at this price action, I'm thinking what would be a pretty strong trade, something that people have been trading a lot, just maybe waiting on this breakout for potential follow through. Now, if the market like the Nasdaq is moving, I think it could be a very powerful motivator for a breakout in something like Micron. You can see Micron has been in this wedge pattern for about 2 weeks. And today we are breaking higher. Yesterday started the ball rolling, pushing above the 50-day EMA. And then today breaking above yesterday's high, pushing to the upside. I think the $1,000 price level, and then after that, the 1,050 price level is well within reach. And if we can, head up towards 1050, this is roughly a 10% move in Micron in the underlying price. That could spell out a substantial gain trading strong directional call options in Micron. So go ahead, look for a continuation in the market. And I think Micron is a very strong play in that direction with the breakout from this wedge pattern. Okay?